Plastimat, located in Oranienburg, Germany, administration and production. Plastimat is a leading specialist in plastic processing with a diverse range of expertise. As Europe's largest manufacturer of road guideposts, we are committed to enhancing traffic safety across the continent. We also take pride in being the premier producer of high-quality sockets. Additionally, Plastimat excels in the production of advanced wiring harnesses for electrical and electronic assemblies and a wide variety of lights and reflectors for diverse applications. In Oranienburg, we face impressive 23,000 square meters of state-of-the-art production space. With the continuous rise in road traffic, the demand for innovative solutions in traffic safety grows steadily. Plastimat meets this challenge head-on by providing top-tier road guideposts, expertly crafted using injection molding, robot-controlled processes, blow molding, and extrusion techniques. At several production sites, Plastimat produces over 1 million guideposts annually for traffic management across Europe. Our sockets and connectors are produced with precision on fully automated machines, capable of performing up to 32 working steps simultaneously. A solid contact, including an internal spring and screw, is produced in just 1 second. The contacts undergo photometric inspection. Any defective parts are automatically sorted out. Our in-house quality control team ensures daily checks on every part produced. With our own development capabilities, 3D design expertise, and in-house tool manufacturing, we are able to rapidly accommodate individual customer requests. Additionally, we are trusted by OEMs for continuous development. Our tool manufacturing department is equipped with the latest machinery, with a particular focus on producing galvanizing tools for lights and reflectors, one of our many specialized offerings. Currently, we are operating on 94 injection molding machines, ranging from 50 to 650 tons. We manufacture a wide range of plastic parts, including 2-component solutions and silicone products. Our highly automated production lines and sophisticated warehouse systems ensure smooth operations and seamless supply chains. Plastimat manufactures an extensive range of plastic components using over 3,000 different molds. Advanced material preparation, including pre-drying with dried air and automated feeding into injection molding machines, ensures optimal production conditions for flawless results. Our wiring harness production is semi-automatic, featuring highly specialized processes such as the assembly of air and watertight connectors with integrated electronic circuits, a unique feature offered exclusively by Plastimat. At our facility in Reda-Wiedenbrück, we operate across a vast 6,000 square meter area where we showcase fully automated reflector production. This includes the creation of backplates, the assembly of reflectors, automatic placement on the ultrasonic welding table, and comprehensive quality control processes. Plareflex reflectors, superior retro reflectors with glass elements by Swarovski. The advantages of Plareflex reflectors for guideposts, such as road marking studs, include guaranteed and specified photometric performance. Reflectors used in road posts and marking components are exposed to the harshest conditions. These requirements are defined in the standard EN ISO 1463. Plareflex reflectors equipped with glass beads are more robust and resilient than any other reflectors on the market. Plareflex reflectors are weatherproof and UV resistant to withstand extreme weather conditions. This is proven in salt spray tests. Plareflex reflectors outperform all other reflectors in terms of visibility due to a superior reflection angle. Plareflex glass reflectors are the only reflector type to consistently deliver outstanding results across durability tests. Thanks to the high-quality manufacturing for the glass elements, Plareflex reflectors maintain their high reflection levels for up to 20 years, even after heavy-duty impacts, such as when road marking studs are driven over by heavy transport vehicles. The diverse applications of Plareflex reflectors are showcased in our video, which details the entire manufacturing process. From vertical injection molding machines to the precise delivery of glass beads from Swarovski and the use of ABS plastic granules for the housings. Plareflex reflectors for guideposts, marking studs and guardrails play a critical role in enhancing road visibility during nighttime and bad weather conditions. In rain, fog or darkness, they are indispensable for improving road safety. Plastimat manufactures a wide range of reflectors, lights for tail lifts, emergency lights, and LED lights using over 100 different tools. We are investing in new robotic workstations to further enhance our efficiency and precision. At Plastimat, we deliver solutions that drive the future of traffic safety and beyond.